We're in a marketplace where every house is trying to make a statement.
But how many of them would leave a lasting impression on your everyday way of life?
Can't get you out of my head. My forehead's a wall.
The standout of this home isn't a particular feature. It's how everything works together. Light follows you from room to room. Every window frames a different outlook, and the transition between indoors and out feels completely seamless. The design doesn't ask you to adapt to your lifestyle. It purposefully elevates it.
Blue lights.
Sitting just 500 metres from the beach, cafes and everything else that makes the peninsula the place to be, this is definitely one you don't want to pass on.
Blue stars.